hydration breaks taken halfway each half of the World Cup games. This might well be fully implemented at some point in the future, effectively making football a game of 4 quarters. A 3-minute hydration break is perfect for 5 or 6 30-second ads on television or radio, potentially earning millions of additional dollars without much, if any, dislocation to the football. So what we're seeing happening now is a kind of unofficial test run, even in some of the air-conditioned covered stadia at the World Cup. They're still having hydration breaks where the entire team gets into a huddle. The bench is empty. The coaches are out speaking to the teams. 3 minutes later, match resumes. All is well that ends well. Want a bet? Give it 1 more year for full implementation. Yeah, take the bet.